It is okay. And here is correct too. So both of them are okay. So I uncheck these graphics options. Belongs to arrow. Then I go to level 1. So I select the duct for another method. Then I remove this one. And delete it. From here, right click, draw flex duct, and then I connect it to the center of the square. And for this one, we're doing the same thing. And for the neck shape, I select the 6 inches and for 130 CFM and 80% of it, estimately 100. And 6 inches is good size, which belongs to our duct. And for our diffuser, we have to use the table which I showed to you before. So we can use this table for selecting the neck of the diffuser. Okay, for example, for return between 0 and 100, 6 inches is good, and for estimately 120, it belongs to this row. It is higher than 100, so 8 inches is good for return duct. Okay, and the amount of the neck, I choose 8. So I select this. For the return, that's enough. We need a damper here to place it here from the systems, duct accessories. It was for the round shape. For the rectangular shape, we go here and place the damper. And after completing these commands, we have to check the sizes again. It is important. I try to align these two. Now you can decrease the length of your duct to move it to the right and align it with this one. Now the length of our duct is much smaller. That is economics approach. It's better to decrease the prices. I use the 120 for this. 8 inches is good for supply. So we have to change the sizes with holding down the control and select the 8 inches for this. And I select the diffuser here and use the 8 inches for this one too. It's better to move the tag of the room, and I move it to the left hand corner to better see the diffusers. We have to check the sizes again. For example, for this 180 CFM and neck is 8. If for your file is not correct, please correct all of them according to these figure. I share this file, so you can use this file. And for the flex duct, we have lots of options from the graphics. Flex pattern, you can use circle, oval, and other shapes. And these are the different shapes. These shapes just we have according to the 2D. In 3D, it's not possible to change the shape. So, for example, I right click on one of them and I change the shape as a flex. So all the flexes shapes have been changed.